Before you watch the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel.
Everyone knows the way to a healthy, trim body is simple. Eat less and exercise more, right? Wrong. Decades of journalism and diet marketing have suggested that this solution is both simple and fast. Unfortunately, it's not. They usually don't work, and even if they seem effective at first, the results often don't stick. What's worse is that many people who try to lose weight this way internalize their failure and blame themselves for not having enough force of will to pull it off. In reality, permanent weight loss can only be achieved through solutions tailored to meet your needs. Eating less and exercising more are elements of a successful effort to lose weight, but one-size-fits-all solutions fail more than they succeed. People who are successful at losing weight and adopting permanent healthy lifestyle changes all have a few things in common. First, they don't conceptualize their changes as a diet or a workout. Second, they've taken a personalized approach. They haven't simply pulled the latest diet out of a popular book or health magazine. Most diets today preach the strict avoidance of unhealthy foods. Depriving yourself of food that you're craving takes effort, and that effort adds up. Attempting to avoid thoughts or cravings has actually been proven to make those urges stronger. The solution is to work with your desires. Instead of denying yourself, for example, a Big Mac you are craving, learn how to cook a healthier burger at home using appropriate portions of quality natural ingredients. The same holds true for exercise. Exercise routines based on activities you hate are not likely to last. The effort of forcing yourself to simply start an undesirable workout can be just as tiring as the activity itself. Instead, find new sports or activities that feel more like a hobby or even fun, so you don't have to force yourself to start and stick with them. There's one more key piece to successful weight loss. The vast majority of people who have successfully lost weight have had help. Achieving permanent behavioral change is a monumental achievement that takes a great deal of knowledge, learning, and perseverance, even when done correctly. People who have had a mentor or a coach through the process have been proven time and again to be more successful at achieving long-lasting changes in their weight, behavior, and overall health. Change is hard and often frightening. As easy as magazine covers and television shows may make it sound, weight loss can, at times, seem unattainable. But it's not. You need the right approach with the right partner.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel and be the first to get my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.